Hey everybody, Justin Senior here. In this video, I'm going to show you how to sell print-on-demand wall canvas and art on Shopify. This is really powerful. Wall canvas, print-on-demand, art, print-on-demand. Really powerful. A lot of different sellers want to have this in their store, and I'm going to show you exactly how to do this the right way. And we all know that print-on-demand is by far the best business model online. You could sell hundreds of different types of products without ever touching them. And kind of the big complaint that a lot of sellers have when they start with print-on-demand t-shirts is that the margins aren't that big. They want to sell some higher margin products, higher profit margin per sale, a little higher ticket value per sale, right? And they always look for wall canvas and they look for art. And that's a really popular strategy right now. Selling wall canvas on Shopify, selling art on your Shopify store, really powerful. First of all, because it significantly increases your product's profit margins. You could sell these for hundreds of dollars. They don't cost that much. They're all still print on demand, so everything is automated. You never have to have any inventory up front. And you get to sell these really high quality, high perceived value items that are going to allow you to collect some higher profit margins. But it's not just that. Home decor and wall art, right? These are some of the less saturated products in the print-on-demand space. So when you're a print-on-demand entrepreneur and you want to deal with less competition, you look for wall canvas. When you want to deal with higher margins, you look for wall canvas. And not only that, but you're able to actually have lower return rates, lower hassle for you as a seller, less customer support, because there's super low return rates on wall canvas and art. And on top of that, you could even add more margin, more profit, by offering things like personalization. These work really well for gifting products when you allow for that personalization, and I'll tell you more as we go over the shoulder. Now, there are some pain points that you might run into when you want to go ahead and implement a print-on-demand wall canvas store. There's no built-in way to do this with Shopify. You need to find a print-on-demand app with a great selection of canvas. I'm going to show you exactly which one to use. And the app must be super easy to use and require no prior technological skill. You don't need to be some type of print-on-demand or Shopify expert in order to immediately jump into this app. And most importantly, the print-on-demand catalog must include a wide variety of wall art at different price points, so you can build the store that you ideally want. And then on top of that, having personalization options, so customers can customize the products. This allows for like that really low return rate that I was talking about, but even more importantly, higher profit margins, higher perceived value. And if you want to do this the right way, you're going to use Merch One. This is what I use. This is what I highly recommend. You see the link directly below this video. We're going to go over the shoulder, but I'm going to show you exactly how Merch One is going to be the #1 way for you to add these high margin, low return rate products and include customization options as well. In fact, we'll go over the shoulder right now. You see the link directly below this video. Going to bring us into the Shopify App Store. This is the Merch One print-on-demand app, and these people are true on-demand wall art fulfillment experts. We're going to go over the shoulder. I'll show you exactly inside the app, and they have lots of different products as well, but we're really going to focus on wall canvas for this video because the idea here is that we have some really high-margin products that customers love. Really cool AI-powered product configurator to make it as easy as possible for you to get your product or your design on the most products possible in terms of different sizing, different alignments. There's lots of different sizes and options, which is what makes canvas and wall art so great. Automated order processing, of course, this is what we love about print on demand. It's all going to happen for you automatically right inside of the app. And all you need to do, press the install button over here. It's going to allow you to install this app, totally free to install this. And we'll go over the shoulder, and I'm going to show you exactly how to get products into your store. All you need to do, again, just click the install button. You're going to install the app, the free app in your Shopify store, and we'll go from there. This is the Merch One app, and when you install it, they're going to walk you through exactly what you need to do, but I'm going to show you all of the important parts here. And you're going to load on onto the home dashboard. They're going to give you some information here. Really love how they call attention to holidays. They're always kind of keeping you right up to date in terms of which holidays you should be focusing on as we approach the fall and winter. They're already showcasing us to have some time to prepare for our Christmas collection, like ornaments and things like that. So really cool. Take a look at that for sure. But again, I want to show you different wall canvas products. And we'll get into all the different products as we get into the product catalog right over here. But when you see orders, this is going to be, and I just installed this app in this store, but you'll see all of your products in here, and you could export these orders. You could change the date range as well. You'll be able to then see everything that you want in terms of orders that have Merch One products in them. Stores will be the stores that you've connected. We already have our store connected in terms of we did our app here, but you can connect more stores over here, or you can turn off stores or disconnect them from this section if you wanted to. Products, of course, this is where we're going to be going into the catalog. And this is just, it couldn't be any easier than this. Literally just point and click, right? What products do we want to sell? And we have everything in here, right? Lots of different product types. We can scroll through here. You want to have your staple t-shirts, right? Of course, every store is going to have t-shirts. Why not? It's a great print-on-demand product. Everyone's going to sell. But we want to focus on some higher margin products. And you see a lot of unique products over here. Wall canvas is definitely what I'm going to focus on. But you see there's a lot of opportunity to make money with some really, really cool high-end products. We have metal door plates, metal prints, photo boards, right? Acrylic hearts, framed things like wood blocks, right? Here's really cool. And we have framed floating photo. We come over here, back up to the top, framed poster, framed canvas, 4-inch canvas. These are some of your premium products. And as we click into this framed canvas, for example, we'll see all the benefits of it, you know, kind of the quality of this. This is great to put in your product description and in your store. You can learn more about all the different kind of great stuff about why these products are so powerful and so high quality. But we're going to come over here and click configure. And this is going to be basically where we start to set all of our options. We have our mirrored option, our folded, or our stretched. I really personally like stretched. Totally up to you. We're going to come over here now and take a look at variants. Okay, all of these different sizes. And, you know, it's great to offer some of the smaller ones, right? They're a lower ticket. But when you start to be able to sell products like poster size and super poster size 30 by 40, right? These are super, super powerful here. Right, and we'll just go with the silver frame, which I happen to like. I think the silver is super nice. You see there's different ways to have this over here. You can even upsell a silver with the hanger. And you know what? Let's go ahead and just go ahead. I'll put all 4 of these, the black and the silver with the hanger set. We'll go ahead and update this. Now, all we need to do is upload our image, right? There's going to be other ways to kind of add your own text and things like that, but what we want to do is add our print-on-demand image. It's incredibly powerful. So I'll go ahead and press upload and add one of my designs. Okay, I've uploaded my cat photo for my canvas over here. It's going to tell you if it's great quality, high quality over here. You want to make sure that it shows green here. So it's going to print well. The thing that you want to pay attention to, and you could resize this, move this around, you want to look at each variant, and you want to be able to fill these out individually. So we come over here, right, and we could just click fill screen over here, come over here, same thing, right? We just want to make sure that we're within the boundaries for our different sizes. Really just depends on the type of design that you have, but you see the boundary lines over here, that's where it's going to get stretched. Really cool design aspect over here because it looks good in both sizes. So that's really good. You could even actually play around and see if there are some other sizes that might fit. Maybe you want to go all big sizes over here, so we can come over here. That one works. Come over here. See, they automatically fit in here, and in fact, I'm going to remove the smaller one here. So we have different variants now that are available, and really, really cool because when we click into these, there's different options for these as well. And different framing options. In this case, we did framed canvas. I'm just going to keep things simple and just make it only one option. I'll just go with the silver. I think that looks the nicest over here. So I'm going to uncheck these boxes. But if we kept these checked, it would simply create multiple variants for the customer. But I'm going to keep it simple and just go with the silver, and I'll uncheck these other variants over here. Then we'll be able to save this product. You're going to notice that there's going to be no time where we need to go over into Shopify and add a product. The product is going to get added right through here. Everything including the variant pricing, of course, the different sizes, all that great stuff. And you could preview the prices over here. Take a look at the cost over here. It's only $115 in terms of cost for the 40 by 30, the really big size. You could easily sell this for $300, $400. We're going to go over here now, click Create Product. And when we go over here, it's going to finalize with these variants, these sizes. And now we're going to give some more information over here. And again, it's all going to be done right through the Merch One app. We don't need to go back into Shopify. Product is being saved. We're going to then go ahead and set our pricing next. So you see we'll give our product a title and description first. You see it automatically fills in with the product details. We'll come over here and put blue cat paw canvas print. And in fact, put framed canvas print, so it's even higher. We could add tags over here. We can go ahead and edit the design if we want, but we just set that over here. Now we have our different sizing. we see what our cost is, right? Different size, different cost. We're going to come over here and always use psychological pricing points, right? These are prices that people have seen before and they're used to. We're going to separate them by about $50 over here. So $199, $249, $299 for our 3 style variants, depending on the size. Again, we kept it simple, just had the silver frame over there. You could add to your description too if you want. You could add something here, you know, anything that you want. Maybe my 3-part product description, you could put that down over there. Once you confirm all the details, we'll click confirm and save. And I'm going to save and publish, which means it's going to literally publish this product into my store just like that. So your job is pretty simple. All you need to do, get great designs, offer these different custom printed products, and I highly encourage you to try out different products as well. Of course, the frame canvas and canvas is going to give you some great margins, but so are other products that you see over here as well. Some really unique products. Acrylic print is going to be good, metal print as well, any type of print, and then you have these seasonal items as well. It's going to be really, really powerful. Another thing that you want to take a look at is going to be your billing over here. You want to set up all your billing information, your billing method, so that you could have your orders automatically processed. Really powerful. You'll see all your orders come in automatically over here, but as long as you have your billing set up, they'll just automatically come in, they'll get printed, they'll get sent out to the customer. It really couldn't be any easier. That's why Merch One, you need to install it. You see the link directly below this video. Highly recommended, totally free to get this app in your store, and really huge capacity with their facilities, being able to do over 500,000 print-on-demand units daily. You know you can trust them. I definitely do. I highly recommend them. You see the link directly below this video. I hope this helps you make some money, and I'll talk to you real soon.